Mr. Mansoor Ali Soomro.
Hawk, hawk. The dogs do bark and the beggars are coming to the town. Some in rags, some in jags, some in velvet gowns. Here they have come again. Here they have come again out of their holes. All the gang is trying to hide the truth, suppress the truth, even to struggle the truth in me, Lord. Here am I, with all them pays at my command to stand for it and to support it, and that is media misleads the masses. Yes, Mr. President, media misleads the masses. Media. What is media? Media is the medium to deceive the masses. Media is the gambit of glamour and flavor. Media is the creed of ugliness and nakedness. Media is the cult of fashion and showbiz. Media means shamelessness, dresslessness, aimlessness. Media means immorality, immodesty, immaturity. And media means all the fool, all this mischief and evil doing for the masses. Then permit me to say, media misleads the masses. Mr. President, I can still visualize the release of movies against Saddam Hussein in Iraq to mislead the masses and use of the oil. I can still hear the news on channels in Libya declaring Colonel Gaddafi the cruel dictator to mislead the masses and raise the rebellion. I can still read an article by published by so-called international media titled "All the Muslims are not terrorists, but all the terrorists are Muslims." That's why I maintain to say that media misleads the masses. Media misleads the masses. Mr. President, I inquire and I ask from my fellows who claim that media does not mislead the masses. If media does not mislead the masses, then why media misleads the people of feet of people which can dance in disco clubs but can't move to the mosque? Why media misleads the tongues of students which can sing "My name is Sheila" and "Pappu can dance sala" but can't recite "Rabbi Zidri Ilma"? Why media misleads the hands of people which can use the Facebook but can't take the holy book? Why media misleads the minds of young generation which can think to be Imran Hashmi and Atif Aslam but can't think to follow holy prophet? Why? I tell you why. Because they are misled by media, and media misleads the masses. Media misleads the masses. Mr. President, I do not feel comfortable to condemn such a great tool of information and entertainment. But I am compelled. When I see the news anchors criticizing everything but appreciating nothing. When I see the calamity and catastrophe caused by floods in Sindh, but aid going somewhere due to the coverage given to dengue virus. When I see the two brothers murdering a boy in Sialkot, but media calling them innocent. When I see the 43 witnesses of robbery by Sarfaraz Shah, and media showing the tragedy. Thus I ask, what name should I give to this media, my lord? Mr. President, I do not mean to favor the killers of those brothers in Sarfaraz Shah, but I want to show you how media misleads the masses by showing one side of the picture. Mr. President, tomorrow you won't find the news. Bureau of Stakes organized the debate competition in University of Sindh. But every dispute among the students is displayed by media to defame and degrade the university and mislead the masses. That's why I become mouth to bellow that media misleads the masses. Media misleads the masses. I thank you all.